Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I have absolutely no idea what I'm unboxing. This came to me from Going Gear, and I expect a package from them every month, but I feel like I just recently did their EDC Club box. So perhaps that's what it is, and they just got it to me a little earlier this month, or they sent me something else. It's also strange because the package is a totally different shape, and it's... I don't know. I don't know what they sent me. We're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Thanks to Going Gear for sending me whatever this is as well. I am extremely curious. Let's get into it. I feel like this, like, right out to the edge, they've packed this. So I don't want to cut into whatever it is. Okay. Maybe they just package it differently now? Alright. Well, it's definitely from Going Gear. And it says 2008. I imagine maybe... Wow. Is that what this is? I feel like it is. Maybe they just packaged it differently. Okay. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay. I think they just packaged it differently now. Okay. All right. So, we got the Going Gear EDC Club box. And if you don't know what that is, they will be linked in the description. There are two versions of this box. One is premium, which is likely what this is right here. And then there's also a less expensive box. Now, for those of you who like subscription boxes, great. You can check it out if you want. The benefit of watching me open the box is you can find out what's in it and then buy the items individually if there's something interesting to you. You obviously don't have to go with the EDC Club box. That's entirely up to you. They are random. Well, not random, but they're different every single month, but everybody gets the same box, right? A lot of people assume, oh, they just send the influencers the best stuff and everybody else... No, that's not how it works. Everybody gets the same stuff, right? If you want to check this stuff out individually, you can, or if you want to check out the boxes, that's also great. I'm just going to go over this stuff for this month. We have... Oh, okay. Yeah, this is the premium box. I want to check out the less expensive stuff for Infinity Cuts and Creations 5x5 wooden tray. That's this guy right here, which I use these a lot. I actually have them all over my bedroom and various places in the house because trays that hold things like coins and keys and it's just, I'm always laying stuff down, and laying it on a random surface is basically a guaranteed way to lose it. So having the trays... It's just, there's kind of like checkpoints all over my house. Like I check the laundry room tray. I check the tray that's down here in my office. Check the tray that's by my bed if I'm looking for my keys or something like that. So this is nice. I appreciate that. These are, I'm going to let you guys just look at this, right? And then you can stop the video and zoom in if you want to read about anything specifically. See if I can get the best possible definition on that. There we go. But this is the Infinity Cuts and Creations 5x5 wooden tray. The 5x5 Acacia wooden trays were engraved locally in Woodstock, Georgia. These make an ideal landing spot for your everyday carry essentials crafted with care. Each tray showcases its own unique and distinct appearance, adding a touch of natural beauty to your space. Keep your gear organized and easily accessible as you step through the door with these stylish and functional wooden trays. Okay, fair enough. Yeah, and I mean, they're $15, which I think is fair. Yeah, okay, looks good. We have the Frontline Medical Defense Adventure Mini EDC. So this is pretty straightforward. I'll let you guys read it if you want to. I'm not going to take the time to read that paragraph, but I think we kind of get what this is. It's just an EDC medical pack, which is fine. It's something that I'll probably just toss in my truck. SRM Mecha 9225. That'd be this guy right here. Okay. Filling knife is a sleek and reliable tool for your cutting needs, crafted with 3.25 inch. Okay, so it's a budget knife. Let's take a look. So SRM, I think, is a brand that I saw from one of these boxes a while back, and I was like, I have no idea who they are, and you guys all told me that they had been around for a bit. So, okay. 52. Okay. Oh, it's kind of an interesting looking. Who is the designer? It kind of gives me Isham vibes. a little bit. I mean, you know, this makes me think of what he used to do. Yeah, okay. We kind of have the, it looks like a laminate. That's exactly what it is. Carbon fiber and G10 laminate, which is, but, you know, the styling is pretty neat. And then we have an Axis style lock combination front flipper. We have an ambi lock and not an ambi pocket clip mounting space. Come on. SRM. Listen, I don't know if they'll see this or not, but listen, you doing an ambi lock and not doing the left-handed mounting position for the clip is really silly. The knife is pretty cool, and honestly, the build quality and you know, the materials here I think are fine for $52. Is that what they said? The SRM Mecha, $52, fine. If you're right-handed and you don't care, right? But like, you know, everything else is fine. It's just like, holy crap, like mount it, you know, you got an ambi lock, like, but it's just funny. But yeah, okay. $52 knife. This is a Chinese OEM. You can tell the fit and finish is very, very good, right? It's about kind of what I'd expect. Kind of a cool knife, right? That's fine. We have another knife. The second most expensive item. This is the Corvid M. Well, we're familiar with the Corvid M. And if you're not, the Corvid M is a fun knife. This is a budget knife, and it is the medium-sized version in the line. I've had this knife on the table many times, but yeah, well priced. If you like these cleavery style blades, this is probably the easiest one. They did like a Mama Bear, Papa Bear, Baby Bear version or kind of setup here with these knives. The Papa Bear is like humorously oversized. It's absolutely ridiculous. The Baby Bear version is so tiny it almost doesn't make sense. This version is still kind of wacky, but it is the most EDC-able, and the build quality is very good. We're looking at 154 cm for the blade steel and micarta. This blade shape, you're obviously lacking in some areas of utility because you don't have much of a tip, but if you don't care and you just like carrying more of a conversation piece, this is actually a really good knife, or a really good price. $69.95 is, I don't have a problem with that at all. This is really great for the money, and it's just really fun. Like, I mean, it's just a folding meat cleaver, basically. But yeah, that's cool. It's a good one. I'm going to lay that one right there. I'm going to lay this other knife right here. And then the most expensive item this month is actually the AceBeam P17, known for making high-quality flashlights, and the P17 is no exception. On the larger side of EDC, this flashlight might be a better fit for a bag or vehicle carry, but we love this light, etc., etc. Max lumen output of 4,900 and around 1,500 feet of beam throw. The dual tail switch UI is easy to operate and has 3 modes, allowing you to customize how the light works, etc. Type-C rechargeable 21700 battery is included. Make sure to remove the plastic, keeping the battery from making a connection. Yeah, okay. Let's open her up. You guys remember when I was first getting into flashlights and I just didn't understand, and I was like, why won't they turn on? Like, right? You gotta remove the little plastic thing. Okay. Oh, yeah, it is a big boy. Ooh, man, okay. Oof. God dang. It's a big light. All right, let's find out where the thing is. I'm going to guess this is where it comes apart. Okay. There's no plastic there. Is it just... That's the one for the lens. We will figure it out. Maybe it's back here. And there it is right there. All right. Now we can see. I mean, we're all waiting to see it basically just turns on, right? Yeah. All right. That looks like the same. Whoa. Turbo. It's like a one button. You just push that and it's right? That's the sound of that's what light sounds like in strobe mode. Yeah, okay. That's pretty cool. Do we want to call this a strike bezel? I don't know. The flashlight absolutely looks cool. I'm not sure. I mean, like, this isn't something I'm going to carry in my pocket, but I agree. For, like, you know, a bag or your truck or your vehicle or whatever, yeah, sure, no problem. This is a nice flashlight. It looks good. If you like these like larger tactical style lights, 119 bucks I think is right around what we normally see for a flashlight like this, right? I'll call it tactical. What do you mean tactical? I don't know. What do you mean tactical? Tell me. Looks pretty tactical to me, right? Turbo strobe. That's right there. And it's also gray and black, so obviously tactical, right? Anyways, yeah, cool stuff. This will all end up being given away on, a live stream. I know people are always like, he gets free stuff. If you're new, I usually give it away, right? I keep some of it for sure. But all of this stuff is going to end up being given away on one of my live streams. So those are usually either Friday or Saturday evenings for about an hour. So expect to see these things pop up eventually. Thanks again to Going Gear for letting me check this out. If you guys want to check out the boxes or the stuff, I'll link Going Gear down in the description so you guys can explore if you want to. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.